If you're watching this video, you probably have a smartphone, and that's all you need to make some serious cash. Today I'm going to share with you 7 side hustles that you can do with just your phone, and potentially earn up to $500 or more per day. Let's get started. IM is a stock photography website that prides itself on selling authentic and visually stunning imagery. The website is home to millions of images, and the best part is that many of them were taken using just a modern smartphone camera. So, if you love taking photos with your phone, then IM could be the perfect platform for you to showcase your work and make some money. To get started with IM, all you have to do is go to im.com and click on For Contributors at the top of the page. Then, click on Sell Your Work and start uploading your photos. It's that easy. However, keep in mind that the amount of money you can earn will depend on how visually pleasing your images are. IM sells most images for around $350, and they offer a 55% cut on every sale. So, if you sell an image for $350, you can expect to earn about $192. Actually, not bad. Are you a great note taker and excelled in school? Then you might be interested in this next side hustle that could potentially make you up to $5,000 or more per month. It's called StudyPool, and it's a website where you can upload documents such as past notes that you've taken and sell them to millions of students. Getting started is easy. Just go to studypool.com and tap on the Sell Docs icon at the top right of the screen. Then click on the button that says Start Selling Documents Now. Once you've uploaded your notes, you can sit back and watch the money roll in. For every view that your documents receive, you'll get paid $10. With tens of millions of active users on the site, that can start adding up really fast. In fact, top contributors are earning tens of thousands of dollars just for posting their notes on this website. If you're not sure whether StudyPool is worth your time, consider this. Even if you're not someone who's naturally good in school, you could still earn an A+ side hustle by making up to $5,000 per month. So why not give it a try? Head over to studypool.com and start selling your documents now. The app is called Money SMS, and it's available exclusively for Android users. What Money SMS does is pretty simple. It pays you to receive text messages. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need to respond to the text or do anything else, really. All you need to do is install the app on your Android phone and wait for the messages to start rolling in. The text messages you'll receive are actually test SMS messages that are used by companies worldwide to test their SMS services. And they're willing to pay Money SMS for this service, which is why they can afford to share the revenue with their users. To be clear, you won't be making a ton of money with this app, but it's a great way to earn a few extra bucks without any effort. The app is completely free to use, and you don't need to pay anything to get started. There are a couple of things to keep in mind, though. First, the app is only available for Android users, so if you're using an iPhone, you're out of luck. Second, you'll need to have a stable internet connection for the app to work properly. All in all, Money SMS is a great way to earn money passively. So why not give it a try? Have you heard of the Field Agent app? It's a powerful tool that some of the largest companies in the world are using to get work done more efficiently. With Field Agent, you can become an agent yourself and perform various tasks for businesses, all while earning money on the side. So, what kind of tasks can you do with Field Agent? Well, you can gather information for brands and retailers by taking photos, sharing opinions, and completing other tasks. And the best part is that many of these tasks can be done doing things that you would normally do anyway, like going grocery shopping. Getting started with Field Agent is easy. All you need to do is download the app, reserve and complete a job, and then wait for approval. Once your submission is approved, you'll be paid in cash directly to your bank account via direct deposit. And the earning potential can be quite impressive. Many people have reported earning anywhere from $100 to as much as $300 per day doing this as a side hustle. So, if you're looking for a flexible and rewarding way to make some extra money, consider becoming a field agent today. Download the app and start exploring the available jobs in your area. Proofreading can be a great way to earn money on the side with very few barriers to entry. If you have a little knowledge of the English language and some basic rules of writing and editing, then you can become a proofreader. As a proofreader, your job is to carefully review various documents and printed materials and spot any errors or mistakes. You don't necessarily need an English degree or professional writing experience to be a proofreader. There are many helpful tools and apps available, such as Grammarly, which can assist you in checking for spelling, grammar, punctuation, clarity, engagement, and delivery mistakes within your writing. To get started as a proofreader, you can find work through online platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. These sites offer a platform for connecting with people who need proofreading services, and you can expect to earn anywhere between $15 and $100 per hour for your work. This app is called Google Opinion Rewards, and it's a popular app with over 158,000 five-star reviews on the App Store. If you know anything about Google, then you know that they're a trustworthy company, so you can rest assured that your earnings will be legit. The surveys on Google Opinion Rewards are quick and easy to complete, and you can do them anywhere, anytime. All you need is a smartphone and a few spare minutes. If you can do 2 surveys per minute, which take about 40 seconds each, you could earn up to $120 per hour. This app is called 1Q, and it's a unique app that pays you to answer short survey questions. First, you download the app. After that, you'll start getting short survey questions that pay you anywhere from 25 cents to over $3 per question. But here's the really cool part. As soon as you finish a survey question, you'll get paid right away through an online payment system called PayPal. And get this, there's no minimum amount of money you have to earn before you can get paid. This means you can get paid right away, even if you only answer one question and earn 25 cents. Most surveys on 1Q are really short, usually only 1 to 4 questions long. And the payments range from 25 cents to $3 per survey, so you can earn a decent amount of money in your free time. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Remember, these apps are just a few of the many ways you can earn extra income in today's digital world. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.